Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley if you haven't known me, and today in this video I'm going to review about hair removal spray from PANSLY Beauty here, and it's a 8 minutes hair off. So we're gonna together see what it is going to happen to my hair, and I'm going to try directly to my leg. By looking at the previous videos that someone doing it, look at that, and she left hair removal spray on her skin for 8 minutes, and then she wiped it with a tissue, and then the hair was like, you know, like dead and becomes like, I don't like, creamy, and it's just like falling up from your follicle. So I am looking forward for that to happen to my legs. Okay guys, so besides the hair spray removal here, I also having the creams. This is a hair growth prevention. So I'm going to apply this after I'm wiping off the cream of this spray. So without talking so much, let's jump right in. Alright guys, I'm currently outside here by the pool. I'm not sure if you can see my legs here. It's full of hair. Yes, right there. So we're gonna spray this product. And leave it for 8 minutes. Alright guys, the consistency, the product is already on my legs here, and we will together wait for 8 minutes. I'll be right back in the 8 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been 8 minutes right now, and I'm going to wipe it out my cream here on my leg, and let's see if the hair is really come off like that videos. So here, so you can see my leg. Okay. Oh wow guys, actually it's really does come out. Can you see that? That is my hair. Oh wow. Oh wow. It is so true as what they said. It does really come out from my skin. You can see that guys. So many hair on my tissue. Alright guys, I think this product is really work, but it's not really clean yet, so I'm gonna come back again for like the next day, tomorrow, and also I'm going to repeat like the day after until 7 days, and let's see if my hair are, growing again or not. Alright guys, so now it's time for the cream, since I'm already like wiping out my the spray hair removal here. So we're going to continue with the cream, and the cream is looking like this. Alright. Oh, by the way, it's looking bluish. Okay guys, so that's it, the review of today PANSLY hair removals here. I hope you guys like it, and if you're curious for more information, please subscribe and turn off your notification bell so you won't miss next time when I upload the videos. And yeah, I hope you like this kind of reviews that I'm presenting today, and I will see you on my next reviews. Bye. XO.